Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. There are cars, and then there are cars that change the world forever. The 1967 Ford Mustang is one of those machines. The moment you see it, you don't just see metal, wheels, and glass. You see attitude, you see rebellion, you see freedom. This is the car that turned ordinary drivers into legends and empty roads into personal playgrounds. The 1967 Mustang wasn't built to be quiet. It was built to be heard, to be felt, and to be remembered. By 1967, the Mustang had already become a massive success, but Ford Motor Company wanted more. They wanted the Mustang to look more aggressive, more powerful, and more dominant than ever before. And when the 1967 model arrived, it was clear that Ford had achieved exactly that. The body was longer, wider, lower, giving the car a stronger and more muscular presence. The front grille looked sharper and more focused, like the face of a predator ready to strike. Every line of the car reflected confidence and performance. The hood became more sculpted, hinting at the power hiding underneath. The wider stance gave the car improved stability and made it look planted firmly on the road. The Fastback design in particular became one of the most iconic shapes in automotive history. Even standing still, the 1967 Mustang looked fast. It looked alive. It looked like it was waiting for the driver to unleash its true potential. This car became a symbol of freedom. Young drivers saw it as a way to express themselves. It wasn't just transportation, it was personality on wheels. The Mustang represented independence, adventure, and rebellion against the ordinary. The 1967 Mustang also became a star beyond the road. It appeared in movies, television shows, and racing events. It became part of popular culture. It wasn't just driven, it was admired. People dreamed about owning one. They dreamed about hearing that V8 roar and feeling that unstoppable power. Another reason the 1967 Mustang became so legendary was its perfect balance between performance and design. It wasn't just powerful, it was beautiful. The long hood, the short rear deck, and the aggressive stance created a timeless design that still looks stunning today. But the real magic of the 1967 Mustang began under the hood. This was the year Mustang introduced one of the most legendary engines ever created, the 390 cubic inch V8 engine. This massive 6.4-liter V8 produced around 320 horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration and incredible torque. The moment the engine started, it produced a deep, thunderous rumble that sent chills down your spine. This wasn't just sound, it was a warning, a signal that this machine was built for performance. When you pressed the accelerator, the Mustang responded instantly. The power delivery was raw, immediate, and incredibly satisfying. The rear wheels gripped the road as the car surged forward with authority. Every gear shift, every acceleration, every second behind the wheel felt intense and alive. This was not a car that isolated the driver from the road. This was a car that connected the driver directly to the machine. The Mustang also offered multiple engine options, including the 289 cubic inch V8 and even more powerful performance versions, like the legendary Shelby GT500, which pushed performance to an entirely different level. This gave drivers the freedom to choose how much power they wanted, from exciting to absolutely terrifying. The driving experience of the 1967 Mustang was unlike anything else. The steering felt heavy but precise, giving the driver full control. There were no electronic assists, no traction control, no computers, just pure mechanical connection.